first thing I do when I want to take a shower is I go in with my scrub. I use this Veet Gold Clear Dark Spots Whitening Scrub. This scrub contains kojic acid and abutane, and it smells like heaven. Like the whole house will have this nice fragrance when using it. It also helps to even out skin complexion. It contains kojic acid, like I said, and abutane. So these two ingredients help to even out your skin complexion. If you have an uneven skin tone, this scrub is good for you. And then I go in with my exfoliating scrub. I use this when I want to exfoliate my body. I make use of it together with the scrub. First thing, I wet my body, then I go in with the scrub. I scrub all over my body aside my face. I don't use this scrub on my face because it's kind of harsh on my face. It stings my face, so I just go in with it all over my body. Yes, and don't forget, guys, don't forget your hands. You're using an exfoliating glue, so try to remove each hand and scrub with the other hand. Do it on both sides. Yeah, it is very, very, very necessary. And after that, I go in with my XBC facial scrub. This scrub helps to cleanse my face and also exfoliate my face. Yeah, it gives me some sort of cleansing. So I apply it all over my face and my ears, and I scrub thoroughly. It's very mild. It is made with charcoal. It's very mild on the face. So yeah, that's what I use on my face, and then I scrub, and I rinse off. So this is me rinsing off I had to bathe with warm water because the weather was so cold on this particular day. Yeah, so I had to use hot water. Then here is me with my body soap. This is Dove cream bar, a pink one, and this is what I use all over my body. This soap is suitable for dry seasons like this, like harmattan seasons like this, because it moisturizes your body afterwards. This is me with my sponge trying to scrub everywhere, like wash it the normal African way. Wash my body the normal African way. I don't know about other people, but this is how I wash my back. Yeah, after that I go in with my simple face wash. This face wash, I've been using it for a long time now. It's mild on my face. I love it so much. So I use it to wash my face. It gives me like an extra cleansing. And I love to use this face towel. This face towel is strictly for my face. I don't use it on any other part of my body aside my face. So I like to wash behind my ears. Yeah, because that place is kind of hidden and so many dirts are trapped in there. So if you're not washing behind your ears, you better start doing so now. Yeah, and I use it to extra cleanse my face. Then I rinse off. You can see how my face is already looking yummy. Right, rinse off my body, and I don't even know why I had to go in with this hand shower again. I started feeling hot all of a sudden, so I had to go in with the shower to cool my body, and then I started feeling cold. Now this is me with my lotion. This is my body lotion. I use the Q7 carrot lotion, and this lotion has helped greatly to even out my skin complexion. Yeah, after pregnancy I had lots of discoloration, so this lotion helps to even out my skin complexion. I just apply this all over my body. This lotion is good. It is good. Like, it won't bleach you, to just make you shine. You know what I'm saying? This is me with my 2 body serums. I decided to go on with the Mabox serum because this serum is very, very hydrating. It's very moisturizing, unlike the Balance, and it is suitable for harmattan seasons like this. So yeah, I applied it on my face and down to my neck. By the way, it contains hyaluronic acid in high concentration, so it keeps my skin plump and hydrated. Now this is me my glory. Then I go in with my skin aqua sunscreen. I don't use my moisturizer during the day. I go in with my sunscreen. It serves as a moisturizer and also a sunscreen. This sunscreen is good. It doesn't leave white casts. It's hydrating. There's so many things I have to say about this sunscreen, but let me just leave that for now. So yeah, I just apply this from my face down to my neck, and then I try to massage it. It's kind of watery, so it takes a while to absorb. Yeah, so what I do is I leave it for some time. When it's a little bit dry, I come and massage it all over my face, and it absorbs fully into my face. Yeah, this is just me trying to spread this evenly across my face. Okay, so yeah, the girl is glowing. The girl is looking fine and good and everything. Now, this is the last thing I do. It's Harmattan season, like I said, so I go in with my Vaseline. My Vaseline intensive body oil. This Vaseline is good. It smells nice. Yeah, it's good. It's just a little quantity is going to be enough to go around your body. Yeah, so I use it all over my body, aside my face. And like I said, it's Harmattan, so I had to apply the lip gloss. And this is the final look, guys. So guys, this is me after my shower and my daytime skincare routine, and I am glowing. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. Okay, until I see you on my next video, have a wonderful week. Mwah.